Hello guys and girls, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, the Forex Clubhouse. In this video, I'm going to explain and show you how easy it is for you to be able to make at least $500 a day when trading on your small account. If you're new to this channel, then please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Getting back to our video, it is always important for you as a trader to always start doing your analysis on higher time frame. This will help you get a general market bias and any hidden information that may not have been visible on the lower time frames. So on the daily, we can observe that this market right now is on an area that previously or before it is where the market direction turned after breaking here and went to the upside direction. Now, interesting fact is that the market right now is actually at this same area that previously turned the market to the upside direction. And as we know the history of the price in trading, it is very important and matters a lot, because in trading, we believe that history tends to repeat itself. Now, having this knowledge, we then go to the lower time frame to see how the retail traders will view this market so that we can go against them, because that's what institutional traders always do each day when they get into the markets. Now, the retail traders that just concentrate on the lower time frame alone will do something like this on their trading charts. They will say the market right now is on a downtrend, then they will draw that arrow pointing to the downtrend direction. Then they will say now the market is on a retest to the lower high right here. They will even draw a box thinking that the box has magic powers to turn over the market and hope for sales. Now let me tell you this, just a simple honest truth. They know that this is exactly how you will react. So what to do is we enter buy trades right here, where the majority of retail traders will be pressing their sell trades as what the institutional traders are expecting you to do, because higher time frame, guys and girls, always wins its conference.
A few
now we
moments
wait for the
later.
results. As expected, guys and girls, you can see for yourself how the market played out. Guys and girls, all these trades and analysis are shared on my Telegram group. If you want to join my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe and turn the notification bell icon on. See you in the next video. Bye bye.